Baby.
5.
Be a baby, baby.
6.
Be a baby, baby.
Last one.
Be a baby, baby.
Here we go. Up and down. Good. Up and down.
I'm Graham Cole, and I'm the executive director of Whitebird. We brought BODYTRAFFIC here to Franklin High School for a great workshop.
1, 2, 3.
My most advanced class got to work alongside professional dancers learning choreography that they are going to see in concert. And it was incredible, it was really inspirational, and they were very, very excited.
I came to class extra early today. I was looking forward to it last night, this morning. We started off with a warm-up and I was already sweating. It was already hard and it was so much fun, and that's what I love about it.
And let's go ahead and start rubbing our body, waking up all the cells. It doesn't have to look like this.
When I was a dancer in high school, I really didn't have opportunities to learn from touring artists like these. I think that these are some of the best dance artists in the world, and for a student who's considering their future in dance and whether they might go into it professionally, it really is an amazing opportunity for these students to learn from these artists.
I think it really grounds them in understanding what this profession actually entails. When they heard that the dancers rehearse from 9 to 4 every single day, that's very different than their experience here, where they may have only one class with me that's 90 minutes long, and that class might be every other day. So 40 hours a week of rehearsal is a lot of dancing.
For me personally, every time I see professionals perform or I am taught by professionals, I realize that that is what I want to do, and it's just continuously inspiring for me.
I think being a part of a performing arts program helps kids feel connected to their school environment, but also builds community. And I think we saw that on display today in this class, just how engaged and what a wonderful community these students have built together.